Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. So you know I am on an adventure bike kick right now. One of the things I've been trying to figure out is what kind of tools do I need to pack with me on this Ibex 450, and really this kind of goes for any adventure bike. So I decided to order up a kit from Tusk, and we're going to do an unboxing video right now. I have not even opened this up yet. I am not prepared for what's about to take place. Let's see how it goes. So I do know there's a few options available. It does come with a nice tool roll here. Let's open this part up. This is what all your tools are going to roll up in. So my thought, and I don't know if this is correct or not, but I'm going to be able to attach this somewhere on my bags, in one of my side holders or something. I don't know. I'll get it all kind of inside the tool roll, see how big it is, and go from there. So what else do we got inside? So we've got some different sizes of, this is a cool little wrench. So kind of multi-purpose. You got a 21, a 10, a 13, a 12, and a 17. That's pretty cool, nice, lightweight. The majority of everything's in here. Let's just open this tool roll up. So somehow, some way, all of this is going to fit in this case. It's got a nice little magnetic section there as well. Let's see what else we got. So for you guys that have been doing adventure bikes for a long time, I would like to know from you if there's something in this kit that does not come with the kit that I am going to need. Now keep in mind, I am on an Ibex 450. I've got buddies and employees that I'm going to be riding with that have 10-ray 700s. We've got some BMWs, an Africa Twin. We've got the new KLE 500. So most of those guys, they don't know how to work on the bike. So let me know what I need to put in this tool bag. So, all right, so we've got some vice grips. We got a tire gauge. We've got a test light, very nice. That's actually really cool. Nice little test light, because, you know, electrical stuff. Looks like we got some tape, some black tape. I'm going to speed this up. I'm just going to lay it all out. Let's see what we get here. Zip ties, because you need some of those, some tie wire, a bunch of sockets, opening wrenches, adjustable wrench, little stubby ratchet, some steel epoxy. You're gonna need some of that at some point. You've got your screwdriver. I have no idea what's in that. Some type of roll of something. Needle nose pliers, those are always good. Bunch more opening wrenches. We've got some Loctite. Definitely need some Loctite. And lastly, hopefully I never have to use these, some tire spoons. So come do a little overview of this, and let's see, what is all this going to fit in the bag? Absolutely it will, or they wouldn't sell it to us this way. But what else am I going to need that's not on here? Now I am not talking like first aid stuff. I'm just talking tools. Are there any other tools you guys think I should have in here? I know there's like a valve stem puller and stuff like that in here as well, but what are we missing? Anyway, 435-427-3338. Give us a call, shoot us a text, or check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. We are getting close to having these babies set up and ready for adventure. We're going to be sure and take you guys along for the ride. And if you would like to join Big Pine Sports on our upcoming adventure rides, send us a text that just says adventure to 435-427-3338. We'll put you on the list and keep you posted on the upcoming rides that we have. For now, we out. Have a good day, everybody.